Hello, this is Prince from Igbo Made Easy, and today we're not gonna have a class, so there's no class in town. We're gonna play a game. How would you like to play a game? I thought as much. Yeah, so we're gonna play an Igbo game, tongue twister, with the word pieces of yam, pieces of cocoyam. You may not find that tongue twisting, but try it in Igbo. Oh, if you get that, you're good. And this exercise is gonna help train your tongue, train your Igbo tongue, and there's a lot of benefits to it. So we're just gonna go right at it. I'll tell you how the game is played. I'll explain the words so you understand what you're saying, and then the key to playing the game is to say it fast, 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 fast until your tongue locks. So here is how the game is played. Iferife G. Iferife Ede. Iferife means pieces of. So Iferife G means pieces of yam. Iferife Ede means pieces of cocoyam. So if we're to play the game, it will be something like this. So the first guy comes and he starts. You are looking at the time. You're looking at how many words, how many rounds he was able to go, and how long he was able to go for. So these are the things that you use to eliminate until you finally get the last man standing, who will then be the winner. So you go something like Iferife G, Iferife D, 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 Iferife D, Iferife G, Iferife D, Iferife G, Iferife D, Iferife D. That's fun. I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed that. You say it until the next thing you hear it is and you just have to give up. So when the person starts stuttering, then the game is over. If you're learning Igbo in a group, maybe you're learning Igbo with your wife, or you're learning Igbo with your children, or you're learning Igbo with your siblings, then there's a kind of game you can use to put fun to it. So it's not also dry and draggy and boring. I hope you enjoyed Iferife G, Iferife D, 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 Iferife G, Iferife D. Ouch. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends, who are also learning Igbo. Then take the notification button so you see when we bring up more videos and more games. If you really love it, leave a comment in the comment section so we know we're supposed to be doing this more often. But if it's something you don't like, also leave a comment so we know that that's not working. But if you try it, you're really gonna enjoy it. Oh, you're gonna enjoy it. Iferife G, Iferife Ede. Till we meet again, my name is Prince Obiefule, and this is Igbo Made Easy. Howdy.